so my job for the day is to install a new trap underneath the bathtub drain. So this is the new trap, and it's leaking a lot right here. So basically, I'm gonna put this whole new system up brand new. So I gotta be upstairs and come downstairs, be upstairs and come downstairs and do a whole bunch of other stuff. So right now, I'm about to cut this whole piece off right here because this 2x4 is in my way. So yeah. So I finally took out the drain, and it was a beat to take this out because it was sealed into some old piping down there, some old PVC piping. Got the new one right here, which I'm about to install right now. Just throw it down there, and then I just rubber it down, and you can even see the apartment from downstairs. Well, you can see it from here. See people downstairs, apartment downstairs. Once I push that PVC piping, we'll take this off right here and put a new one, which I have right here. So where is it? Oh, it's right here. This is a new one. So once I install that, everything should be good. Alright, see you later. So today we have a special guest helping me, my monkey. She's holding it from right here while I'm downstairs, turning the PVC piping. So say hello, my special guest.
Hello. Crazy.
So basically, I already finished this right here. So I'm about to, my son is crying because he's upset because I didn't let him touch whatever he wanted. But anyways, I'm about to put this up in there, and it's gonna be good. Once I put this stops the water from flowing. Yeah, you can see straight down for the next apartment. Okay, so basically, what I did, I already installed this, so it looks better now. So yeah. Alright, let me go downstairs and install these rest of these pieces, and I'll be good. So I'm testing out the water. Testing out the water right now, so let's see what happens downstairs. Okay, so the water came out good. It's still warm. It looks awesome now. Everything's fixed.